Hi everyone, it's Friday and it's our last celebration assembly of this term. I'm really looking forward to seeing who's going to get my certificates today. Well done, Xerxes. You've tried hard in all areas of learning this week. Next up, we have Albert and Henry for their excellent perseverance in writing. On to Key Stage 1 now. Skylar, your certificate is for showing amazing integrity every day. You always do your best, even when no one is watching, and you ensure your friends are also making good choices. Well done. Circe, your certificate is for great participation and enthusiasm in class. You are always willing to give something a try and always do your best. And Seth, you've been very enthusiastic with your learning. You were inspired to write a story at home. Let's see what Key Stage 2 have been up to. In Chilcombe A, Blake has been very resilient in maths this week. Blake, you've impressed your teachers as you've worked more independently and shown your excellent knowledge of the 8 times table. And in Chilcombe B, Riley H has also been very resilient in maths, working so hard on his maths assessment. Riley, you have really impressed the teachers with your ability to work independently and correctly answer a wide range of maths questions. In Egerton A, Scarlett, Ella, and Jamie have all been making excellent progress in the after-school reading group with Miss Etherington and Mrs. Jones. Keep up the amazing work. A very special mention to you as well, Scarlett, for an amazing news report recorded at home, an absolute natural in front of the camera. In Egerton B, Layla has been showing responsibility in her learning, attending a reading group after school and making brilliant progress as a result of it. Well done, Layla. And Rhodey, you have been extra focused in all your lessons, giving lots of responses in class discussions and marking, and brilliant respectful behaviour. On to years 5 and 6. In Colmers A, Alfie has shown creativity and resilience when writing his story about Perseus and the monster, and for great responsibility organising the materials he needed for his team to make a rocket. In Colmers B, William, Poppy, and Lily Rose have shown great resilience in their maths. You three have been persevering with the bus stop method in division. It's been brilliant hearing your contributions to class discussions. In Langdon A, Oliver R, Shay, and Arthur have had a very impressive week. Firstly, their writing has been amazing. They've used superb description and included thrilling action in their stories so that people can really picture what's happening, thanks to the vocabulary and the powerful phrases they have used. All of them have also been contributing regularly to class discussions, sharing their ideas and answering questions. Fantastic work, boys. In Langdon B, Nancy has thought very carefully about her defeating the monster story, hugging the text closely where needed, but also experimenting with some really high-quality language. Nancy, you've also made some really thoughtful efforts to maintain friendships and understand other people's feelings. And Sam, you've done some brilliant work in maths this week with multiplication and experimenting confidently with your defeating the monster tale. Mrs. Taylor has also nominated 3 children for a certificate this week. Ella May, Guy, and Harley. Mrs. Taylor is super proud of all 3 of you. You've been working incredibly hard on letter formation in her handwriting group. Brilliant. Amazing work, everybody. I've chosen a snowy picture of the Dorset coastline for our reflection picture this week. Let's take a moment to think about the things that have gone really well for us. On Monday, I'm really looking forward to doing our values assembly. And of course, this half term, we've been looking at kindness. And I know that that's been quite a difficult choice because we've seen so much kindness around the school, and especially at this time of the year when we're all thinking of others. Have a lovely weekend, and I look forward to seeing you next week.